The Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, an old woman and an old man lived in a cozy little cottage. One day, the woman decided to bake a special treat, a gingerbread man. She mixed the dough, rolled it out, and carefully shaped it into a little man. She added raisins for eyes, a smile made of icing, and buttons made of candy. After baking him in the oven, the woman opened the door to check if he was ready. But to her surprise, the gingerbread man leaped out of the oven and ran straight out the door. "Stop! Come back!" the woman cried, but the gingerbread man just laughed and shouted, "Run, run, as fast as you can! You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran, faster than anyone could catch him. The gingerbread man's wild run. As the gingerbread man ran down the road, he soon passed a cow grazing in the field. The cow, hungry for a tasty snack, mooed, "Stop, gingerbread man. I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man only laughed and said, "I've run away from an old woman, and I've run away from an old man, and I can run away from you, I can. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran, with the cow chasing after him. A little farther down the road, the gingerbread man met a horse. The horse neighed, "Stop, gingerbread man. You look delicious, and I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man just laughed again and said, "I've run away from an old woman, an old man, and a cow, and I can run away from you too. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran, faster and faster, with the horse and the cow chasing after him. Next, the gingerbread man passed a farmer working in the field. The farmer called out, "Stop, gingerbread man. I want to have you for my supper." But the gingerbread man just laughed even harder. "I've run away from an old woman, an old man, a cow, and a horse, and I can run away from you too. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran, faster than ever, with the old woman, old man, cow, horse, and farmer all chasing after him. The fox's clever trick. The gingerbread man was feeling pretty proud of himself by now. He had outrun so many people and animals that he thought no one could catch him. But as he ran, he reached a wide river. He stopped, unsure of how to get across without getting soggy and falling apart. Just then, a fox appeared on the riverbank. "Hello, little gingerbread man," the fox said with a sly smile. "You look like you need some help crossing the river." The gingerbread man eyed the fox carefully. "How do I know you won't eat me?" he asked. "Oh, I wouldn't dream of it," the fox replied. "I just want to help. If you hop onto my tail, I can swim across the river, and you'll stay dry." The gingerbread man, feeling confident, agreed and jumped onto the fox's tail. The fox began swimming across the river, but as the water got deeper, the fox said, "You're getting too heavy for my tail. Why don't you hop onto my back instead?" The gingerbread man moved onto the fox's back, and they continued across the river. But soon, the water got even deeper, and the fox said, "Oh dear, the water is rising. Why don't you hop onto my nose so you don't get wet?" The gingerbread man, not thinking twice, jumped onto the fox's nose. But as soon as they reached the middle of the river, the fox tossed his head back, snapped up the gingerbread man, and gobbled him up in one big bite. And just like that, the gingerbread man's running days were over. The moral of The Gingerbread Man: don't be overconfident, and be careful whom you trust. The gingerbread man thought he could outrun everyone and didn't consider the dangers of trusting a stranger, especially one as clever as the fox. This story teaches us that while confidence is good, being too proud and too trusting can sometimes lead to trouble. Questions about the gingerbread man. 1. What did the old woman bake in the oven? 2. Why did the gingerbread man run away from everyone he met? 3. Who helped the gingerbread man cross the river? 4. How did the fox trick the gingerbread man? 5. What lesson does the story of the gingerbread man teach us?
Little duck.